Good morning, children. Today let's go with the grammar part, that is about the conjunctions. So in the previous class you studied about the synonyms and anatoms. So synonyms are the words that have the same meaning and anatoms are the opposites for the given word. So today let's go with the conjunctions. The people in the city did not like the king and were miserable under the rule of Damon has a family to look after and were miserable under his rule. Damon has a family to look after but have no one. In these sentences, and but are used to join two statements. They are called conjunctions. So here and also supports the sentence, where but also supports to join the two statements of the sentences. So what is conjunction, children? Conjunction is a word that joins two statements together. So for example, let me move here. Here in this sentence, and but are used to join two statements. And is used to join statements that are similar. So where do you use the and? And we use when the two sentences are similar. For example, it is a sunny day and it is hot. So here you are not using two different sentences. It is related with the sun and it is very hot and the day is too sunny. Sunny means very bright. So it's very hot. So here the sentence has similar meaning. There are no two different sentences. So here what we do to support the sentence, we use the word and, the conjunction word and. So for another example, Ritesh has a brother and a sister too. So Ritesh, he is expressing about his family. He is telling that he has a brother also and a sister. So here the sentence is similar. So here we use the word and to join the two statements. But in case if the sentences are opposite or having opposite ideas, then we use the word but. Here but is used to join statements that express opposite ideas. So for example, the soup is tasty. When you prepare a soup at home, you feel the soup is very tasty. But if you add some spicy things more, what happens? It is good to taste, but you feel more spicy. You start doing कार हत्तक स्टार्ट आकते हौदा. Here the sentence is with two different ideas. You are expressing that the soup is very tasty, but it is spicy. And ಚಲೋನೂ ಆಗೈತಿ, ಇತ್ತಾಗ ಖಾರನೂ ಹತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಾಗತ್ತೀರಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? ಈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸನ್ನು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, to make it a single sentence, what do you use? You use the word but. The soup is tasty but it is very spicy ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಐಡಿಯಾನ. So here we have another example, that is the sky is cloudy and it is not raining. ಮಾಡರ ಹಾಕೈತಿ ಆದರೂ ಮಳಿ ಬರಾಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ? ದ ಸ್ಕೈ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡಿ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೇನಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಕಂಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್. So I have come out with some examples. So please look into the examples. Bees are beautiful. Bees sting badly. Sting badly ಅಂದರೆ ಕಚ್ತಾವ. ನೋಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಪಟಕ್ನ ಕಡ್ದದ್ದ ಹೊಕ್ಕವ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? How you will combine the sentence? Bees are beautiful but they sting ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. ಅವು ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಚಲೋ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವು ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕಚ್ಚಿ ಹೊಕ್ಕಾವ. ಮೈ ಮದರ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಟಿ, ಮೈ ಮದರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮದರ್ಸ್ ನೇಚರ್. ಸೊ ಮೈ ಮದರ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್. I love football, I love tennis. I love football and tennis. So here you are expressing it is with the same idea. The bus was old, the bus moved fast. Here what you are saying, the bus is old. ಹೇಳಾಕತ್ತೀರಿ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಜೋರಾಗ ಮೂವ್ ಆಕೈತಿ. ಸೊ the bus was old but moved fast. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ನಾವು ಕಂಜಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದ ಲೆಸನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಯು ಹಿ ಹಿಟ್ ದ ಬಾಲ್, ಹಿ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಡ್ ಹೀಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಹಿ ಹಿಟ್ ದ ಬಾಲ್ ಬಟ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಡ್ ಹೀಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್. ಬಾಲನ್ನು ಬಡ್ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋದ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಟು ಕೈಯಾಗಿಂದ ಜಾರಿ ಬಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 44. I hope you all can do these sentences. It is very easy. It is not that confusing. So you have to use but and. So please, as a homework part, I request you to do the page number 44 and page number 45. Okay. So these are some examples where I have given you for the conjunction as a grammar part. So this is all for the day. So let's meet in the next class with a new chapter. Thank you.